This is a part of a series of videos where I show you how to use Aspen version 11 at a beginner's level. These are in no way complete guides, nor am I professional, so everything I say must be taken with a grain of salt. Today I set up a simple simulation using toluene and benzene. I have also chosen the Peng-Robinson method for my physical properties. I wish to show the effect of pressure on vapor-liquid equilibrium in a flash drum of toluene and benzene at a constant temperature. In this simple flowchart, the only specifications I needed to make were for the flash drum and my feed stream. In this case, I'm feeding 100 grams a second of toluene and 100 grams a second of benzene. If we were to run this simulation with the specifications we've input, and we proceeded down to our results summary folder, to our streams file, our mixed substream, if we scroll down, to our mass flows, changing the units to grams per second, we can see our feed is 200, our liquid is 98, and our vapor is 101 grams per second. As we can see here, in equals out. In order to avoid having to manually change the flash drum's pressure specifications in order to see the effect on vapor-liquid equilibrium, we can employ a model analysis tool called sensitivity. Sensitivity is located under the model analysis tools folder. In order to begin, we need to first create a sensitivity study. I will leave the default name S-1. Under the Vary tab, we first have to define what variable in our process will be changed in order to get a desired output. We will be selecting block variable. Our flash drum as the block, we will be changing the property of. For variable, we will be changing pressure in units of atmosphere. I wish to see the effect of pressures from 0.9 to 1.1 in increments of 0.05 atmospheres. The Define tab is the area which we will determine what the dependent variable is. Under New, I will select the name Benzene Out. Under Type, I will select Mass Flow. The reason we've selected mass flow is because the dependent variable we wish to measure is a mass flow of stream vapor. Component, benzene, and we will get this in units of grams per second. We see we now have a blue check mark in both Vary and Define. And under Tabulate, we will simply click Fill Variables. This is an area where you can decide how information that you collect from your results will be displayed. Now running our simulation, we are able to see the results of our sensitivity study under S1 Results. Here we have all our tabulated information we wish to gather. The reason it is bar here instead of atmosphere is because in our global unit setting, we left it at default, metric, Celsius, bar. However, the input from the sensitivity study was an atmosphere. This is why the bar is not in 0.9 bar, 0.95 bar. It is actually in 0.9 atmospheres converted to bar. So our information is still sound. We can see here the effect we have over the benzene out by varying pressure. Rather than having to manually tabulate this information by changing the pressure variable in our flash drum, clicking Run, changing it again, clicking Run, we can do a sensitivity study over any range of values we wish and are able to collect excess information.